Hello, my lovely people. Trust you are all well wherever you are. Just thank you for always stopping by, tuning in to watch my videos, guys. I really don't take it for granted. May God bless you. And for my new viewers, thank you for tuning in to watch this video. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to be part of Royal Nails family. Now here is a video that you are not gonna waste time watching it, because I know I've really delivered the best, greatest, unique, elegant, new, top trending 2026 nail art designs and ideas. Just watch this video till the end, guys, and I know you're gonna explore, you can discover multiple nail art designs and ideas. Great, unique, beautiful, amazing ones that you're gonna try for your next appointment. If you've been wondering, just thinking on what to put or on what kind of nail styles or designs to put on, then worry no more. Here you are now in the right place. You have tuned into the right video. Just watch it to the end, and I know and I promise you, you're gonna find the greatest, the amazing, the unique, the top trending, top demanding nail art designs and ideas for your next manicure. Just watch it to the end, guys. I've really delivered the best. I've brought you the best. This is the best video ever. You're gonna watch for the latest nail art designs, nail art trends. My guys, they are so cute, they are so chic, they are so amazing. Just watch it. And if you have any comment and question, just drop it in the comment section, guys. Let's share the ideas together. If there are designs that you want me to upload for you guys, just drop it in the comment section and I'm gonna do it right for you guys. Just let us share ideas as you supporting me. I really appreciate, and let us journey together, because I know that looking beautiful is the weakness, is the desire, is the dream of every lady out there. Guys, just watch it to the end. Always tune in, turn on your notification bell for the alertment of my new uploads, guys, because I really deliver the best nail art designs and ideas. Just all you have to do is to watch my videos until the end, and you're gonna find multiple designs for you guys, for short nail lovers or long nail lovers. Now you are in the right place, a place that you are not gonna be disappointed, a place that's gonna give you what you want, a place that delivers. Just watch it to the end, guys. Thank you.